Appen. If you've been watching the news lately, you would know that Meta, aka Facebook, are investing heavily in the metaverse. So within a decade or so, most of us will be hanging out in virtual reality rather than real reality, if I could put it like that. Who's ahead of the curve on that that score? It's Appen, because this company's bread and butter is training data sets for artificial intelligence. Where's artificial intelligence going to be used in a big way in the future? Well, the metaverse is one of those things. So what really impresses me about this company, I missed their guidance in the most recent results, so the stock got slaughtered, but they're still profitable and they're growing quite strongly. They were a little bit too captive to big tech in Silicon Valley and mainly ad-based. Well, that's a very 2020 story. They're now investing heavily in things like the metaverse. All of the companies working on driverless vehicles are using Appen in some way to train up their cars, so we don't need drivers anymore. They're also investing heavily in jurisdictions other than Silicon Valley, in order where companies need their training set. So 2022's Appen is very different from 2020's. The share price is pricing this thing like it's 2020. I predict that by the middle of the decade, they'll probably have recovered their losses. And this stock was above $40 a share at its height. It's a classic case of where a company changes so quickly the analysts can't keep up. So consensus has these guys growing at low double-digit earnings in an environment where artificial intelligence investment is growing at 30%. I suspect the analysts have got some catching up to do on this one.